Hello guys, you use my phone Samsung Galaxy Note 20. This version 8GB RAM memory and 256GB Intel memory in the bronze color. Okay. In completation we have adapter for charging, USB Type-C cable and headphones. Okay. And now talk about device. Device made of metal. On the front side glass, front camera, on this side without controls, this side power key and volume keys, slot for 2 nano SIM card, on the upside, downside USB Type-C port, speaker, microphone and S Pen. Okay. Display 6.7 inch, Full HD Plus resolution, Super AMOLED Plus Matrix. Okay, open Geekbench 5, talk about system information, Android 10 model and CPU Exynos 990. This octa-core processor 4 plus 2 plus 2 core, 2.7, 2.5 and 2 GHz CPU speed. GPU Mali G77 resolution and display PPA. Look results, single core score and multi-core score, and GPU test results. Close this. PUBG Mobile. Okay, AnTuTu benchmark. AnTuTu benchmark score, look ranking. Okay, 8th place in ranking. And run GTA San Andreas, demanded game, max graphic level, start, works very good, without lags and glitches, perfect gameplay. Okay, close this and talk about camera. We have triple main camera, 64, 12 plus 12 megapixels, and now I'll show you photos on the main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.